Are you looking to check your Instagram login devices on iPhone? In this video, I'll show you how to check Instagram login devices on iPhone. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up the Instagram app. Then, tap on your profile icon below. Next, tap on the three-line icon from the top right corner. Now, tap on Account Center. Then, tap on Password and Security. Here, tap on where you're logged in. After that, tap on your Instagram account. Now, review the list. If you see a device or city you don't know, then scroll down to the bottom and tap on Select Devices to log out. Then, select the unknown device and then tap Log Out. Then again, tap Log Out to confirm. And that's it. This is how you check your Instagram login devices on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.